time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome to Power Hour Live, December 1st on a Monday. S&P is down 26, NASDAQ is down 74, Russell down 26, Dow down 290, Russell the weakest. Gold is up about 1/3%, silver's up almost 3%. Notes and bonds are red, 10-year yield up 1.84. Oil's up 1.5, natural gas is up 1.25. All the grains finished red. Euro and the pound, or euro's pretty flat, pound's down a little bit. Bitcoin taking it on the chin again, down 6%, a little over 85,000. VIX up 4%, just above 17. Currently at 1701. Some kind of wild price action today. Did not treat me well on the day trades. 0 for 3 with my new position size, so that was awesome. I did 2 Elmos, both hit profit target, so that was good for $9.50 between the two. I did a 3-4 put calendar near the open. It's basically been scratched to a little bit red all day. It's actually a little bit green now. I'll probably close that out by the end of the day, although it is fairly centered, so we'll see what we get here. Actually, I'm going to close it out because Jay Powell is speaking after the market closes today or tonight. Also did a 1 DTE, which I ended up transforming into a downside vertical. Minimum profit 580, max profit 1580. What else? I think that's it for me. That is it for me. Chad, how's your day?
Yeah, kind of a scratch day in the live stream today. Had some nice trades, and then it went against me in the small red day for the day. My 1 DTE hit both profit targets, 25 and 40% out. My 1 TLC trade, 20, 40, 60 and out. So nice green day with those two trades.
Yes, I did do BIX. Sorry, I forgot about BIX. I knew I was forgetting something. So I did.
What's your new? Oh, go ahead.
With the overnight volatility, I paused my first couple tranches, which probably saved me, looks like, by the price action. But a lot of put side stops, 1 call side stop, no double stops. I did do a late tranche with $2 strikes, and that one's still unstopped. So I'm up 780 plus value of my longs, probably up close to about 1,000 right now. So we'll see where that shakes out.
I missed you said something about some new sizing for day trading. I must have missed that.
Yeah, I posted a little update video for my directional in the 0 DTE trade plan channel. Basically, last month I had, you can listen to that when you get a chance for the details, but basically, last month I kind of was doing a little bit of an experiment in kind of a little bit of a reset mode where I scaled back my position size and then, limited myself to max of 3 trades a day. So I liked how that worked out. So I ramped my position size back up. So essentially, I doubled it.
Gotcha.
And First day back, 0 for 3, baby.
You knew it was going to happen, so
I know. I even posted. I said I forgot about the guaranteed trading law that as soon as you size up, you lose. That's just part of the deal.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is off of its lows, but still down over almost 6%. Russell is almost all the way back down to lows of day. Apple, don't care. All-time highs. Had a little dip this morning, but it's just been grinding higher all day long. Other movers and shakers, A-Lab is up 6%, NBIS up 6%, CoreWeave up 5%, Celsius up 5%, Netflix and Nvidia up a little bit, Apple up 1%. Biggest red, BMNR, RGTI. Of course, the cryptos, MSTR and Coin, both down about 5%. But they have bounced off well. MSTR's through highs a day. Wow. Still down 5%. It was down like 11.
Big comeback.
Wow. I didn't realize it had bounced so much. SPX sitting on yesterday's lows. Sorry.
If you could have gotten in when it pushed through that consolidation at the bottom, it'd been ideal.
Yeah, it even had a little pullback right there. A little pause anyway. Netflix at highs of day as well. So is Nvidia. Chips were really strong this morning. Some of them anyway.
I was out of commission for about an hour and 45 minutes. One kid had school, one kid did not.
Oh, that's fun.
The kid that had school at Liberty North, I messaged this morning and said, "Do not drive to school today," because it's my car he drives. And I texted mom and said, "Do not let Slayton drive. The roads are going to get bad throughout the day." What's he do? He drives. So I had to take off and go get him up at Liberty North because the roads are just terrible.
Yeah, my boys were off. They were already scheduled to be off for teachers' meetings or something.
I can't believe they had school today. It wasn't a secret it was going to snow all day.
Right. We did have a little news on a Monday today. ISM, manufacturing, PMI, and prices. And then, so Powell speaks at 7 p.m. tonight, Central, due to participate in a panel discussion about his economic policy contributions at the Stanford University. So could see some overnight action. Tomorrow, not really anything scheduled. Wednesday. What's that?
When is Powell done?
I don't know when his term's up.
It's like right after the new year or sometime in 2025.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember.
They're talking about it. February. All right.
Wednesday, we've got ADP non-farm employment change and then ISM services PMI. Thursday, unemployment claims, pre-market. And then Friday, core PCE. This says core PCE is after the market opens. It's usually pre-market, but we'll see if that's true.
Yeah, I saw that Trump has decided who he was going to point to it.
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to be Bassett, isn't it?
Hasn't made it public yet.
As far as earnings this week, we've got nothing good tonight, nothing good tomorrow morning. After the close Tuesday, Marvell, CrowdStrike. Before the market opens Wednesday, Dollar Tree. After the close Wednesday, Salesforce and Snowflake. Before the market opens Thursday, Kroger and Dollar General. And that's about it. Thursday after the close, Ulta. That's tradable, kind of. DocuSign maybe, but not much. Not much. kind of chopping here. SPX right at yesterday's lows. If Powell wasn't speaking tonight, I would consider holding my 3-4 put calendar, but I think I'll just close it before the end of the day. Never know. Old JP might throw up some middle fingers on his way out. Let's see. No, but there's a Fed meeting in December and January, right? So he's got 2 more?
I know there's one in December.
Yeah, I think there's one in January as well. So maybe no middle fingers yet. I don't think J-Pav would do that anyway, but it'd be funny if he did. Chad, no power hour TLCs?
Yeah, I was looking at it before we started streaming.
You do 10 wide, lower premium.
But I didn't because, man, we had that big move down. And then we had a pretty sizable move up and then another big red bar down. I was like, geez. So I was like, yeah. Up about 3,600 on the day and 2 trades, so decided not to do a TLC, but it looks like it would have turned out nice.
Yeah, I'm still.
That's a pretty sharp drop off there at 1 o'clock.
Yeah. I don't know what was that. Did something trigger that? I didn't even really pay attention.
I don't know, but when I see that happening, it's like, yeah. Is it going to rebound and shoot right back up to highs of day?
Looks like Blondie was on the mic around that time.
Ah.
Well, how's everyone's Thanksgiving? Mine was delightful. Lots of family in town, lots of turkey and pie. Kind of your normal Thanksgiving. AVGO is bucking the rest of the chips. It is now through lows of day again. Did not see the strength of some of these other ones like AMD and NVIDIA. Levitt, your neighbor, Tony? Robinhood creeping its way back up towards highs of day. Still down 3.5% from the gap down. That's kind of wild to think about, right? Some of your kids' age is press secretary for the President of the United States. We've got a little under 30 minutes to go. Let's see what these at-the-money flies are trading for. Around around $1, looks like. Maybe not quite $1. What do you got here, Neil? A little modification to the NTT. A little cloud overlay. Cool. Interested to see more. I'm working through some different testing stuff on NTT day trading, doing it from an automation perspective. I don't really have anything to share about it yet, but I'll share that as well. Core Weave is up 5%. It's at highs of day.
Netflix, highs of day.
Up for $1. I keep telling you, January 1st. January 1st, my friend. I still gotta get the account transferred over and then. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna do that this month, but then kind of be ready to go before January 1st. Do you do any wheeling and dealing? I mean, the market kind of feels heavy, like it wants to break lower, especially the Russell. CEFs? What are those? Wow, what? Am I supposed to know what a CEF is? Anybody else know what a CEF is?
No. Clyde Edwards. Oh, no. That's CEH. Clyde Edwards Hilaire.
Cisco Express Forwarding. Okay. Good guess. Oh, closed-end fund. Okay. All right.
Who's in Woogas? Surely Moel's in a Wooga.
I didn't do any Woogas, and I didn't do any Elmos here in this during Power Hour, just because I've got these strikes taken for this NTT test thing. Nice and quiet here for anybody with short premium. Just loving that previous day low here. I had the expected move to the upside marked right at yesterday's or previous day high, 68.50. Never got up there. Expected range low, I have marked at about 67.73. Never got close to that, so fairly tight range. Didn't feel like it this morning, though. Chop, 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 chop. I transformed my 1 DTE into a downside. We were getting some downside action just in case we got some follow through, but then also because of Jay Powell speaking tonight, I thought he may say something that pushed us down. And then from the daily chart in SPX, just kind of look like we kind of retraced that previous day bar and coming down. I could definitely appears to be price action I could see going lower here tomorrow. So those are kind of the things I was thinking about when I transformed that. Yeah, last day of the month, Rick has worked twice in a row. I do wish I would have bicked on Friday. I just decided I didn't think because it was last day of the month. But it sounds like from what Elliot said, it was the best day of the month. A little exit right before the last 10 or 15 minutes. Best day of the year? Oh, wow. All right, S&P pushing up to the top of this little consolidation area. Russell still looking a little weaker. If I'm going to do a Mahomes today, it would have to be on the 25 strike, so it would have to be about 5 points higher. That's about the only strike I have available. Could do it in my directional account, but I don't think I want to. Trying to keep that one clean just for directional trading. Got about 7.5 minutes till MOC. Yeah, I even jumped in a few minutes early. I think about 5 minutes early on Friday on that last day of the month trade. So I think I gave up. I think I left over $1,000 on the table because of that. Because the decay really came in quick after I entered, but worked out. Got that nice move in the last 5 minutes, basically. SPX kind of creeping up. NASDAQ creeping up.
Butterflies are still pretty weak or pretty small. We worked 25s here. Apple pushing.
25s trading for about $1.30 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, Apple pushing with volume. AMD close to highs. NVIDIA trying to make its way back up to highs. Netflix still there. AVGO still weak. Well, I know it worked last year as well, because I remember making a decent amount because I was trading it from my phone. But yeah, I didn't separate the. There's only going to be a few occurrences.
Working the 20s.
I just moved away from the only strike I could trade.
Yeah, I was wanting to try maybe scalp some here before MOC, but got to get up higher than where it's at now.
Opt for dollar. I've seen him scalp dollar.
Have you?
20. Yeah. Just getting it in right before MOC.
Jeez, cancel my 25s. Guess I'll work the 15s.
20s are trading for around $1.30. Maybe I will scalp my other account. Got about 2.5 minutes till MOC. Turn on my voice. Hello, CML. Welcome, welcome. Are you finding your way around? Two minutes till MOC. SPX sitting at 68.20. Looks like it's trading.
Lockheed Martin shares dip on volume spike, last down 3.1%.
I'm going to try to get filled
1
for
minute
a
to go now to
scalp.
be the market on close. Imbalance data.
I'm going to put my order at $1.60 here, see if I can get filled.
Yeah, I was at $1.55 is where I'm at. On the 20s.
Got 30 seconds. Try $1.50.
Ten seconds.
Not happening.
$1.40.
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 900 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 353 million. Dow 30 sell side 181 million. Mag 7 buy side 400 million.
Usually get a little pump right there at that order, but I didn't even get filled at $1.40.
Yeah.
Still got my order at $1.40. Looks like it should be filling. There it goes. Got one lot filled. There we go. Filled at $1.40, so trying to scalp it here. See if we can get a quick move. I'm definitely not going to hold it to the close. Request granted, Krish. Had to have my volume on for the MOC.
Voice news disconnected.
Yep. I just trying $1.60 can't get filled.
I've got my profit target at 85 cents. So if we can make a quick little push down. Down to 16, still not filled at 85 cents. Not even close. I'm just trading for about where I got in. I still don't think it's worth the risk of holding, even though it's down to 15 already. Since I only got filled for $1.40. Come on, one more little push. One more little push and it should hit it. It's down below 15.
Yeah, I'm going to say.
Down to 14.
Getting real close. I got in at $1.95. Oh, that was only one contract. Gosh dang it. Come on. I had my order at $1.85, and I got one contract got filled at $1.95
Wow.
out of 6.
That's interesting. You got price improved and only one of them filled?
Yes. Real.
All
There.
right. Close to my profit target. Need another little tick below 14. Flush it. Flush it. It's down to 13. Still no fill. Wow. There we go. Well, one lot filled at 85 cents. There we go. All filled up for the scalp. I like it.
Trying to scalp 3 of mine.
Man, I think I could have gotten filled on the 20s at $1.40 when it was at 15. Based on how those prices were printing. Russell ticking lows of day. What else is falling? Probably AVGO maybe? Not really. Apple is still cranking to the upside. Tesla pushing up. Banks are coming down. Indices are coming down. SPX down to 68.09. 3.5 minutes to go.
I just scalped half mine. from $1.95 to $1.
Oh, nice. That's a good scalp.
And now I've got the rest. I'm just going to let go. It's already, I'm on the 15s. So I'll just let the rest of them play out. Just needs to stay below 10.
I'm going to end up having a nice big day. Surprisingly, looking at that price action, wouldn't have thought. I didn't get stopped on any call sides on that way up. The only call side I got stopped on was this quick bounce right here at about 135. VIX up to 17.38.
Stay below 10.
Snow's really coming down now. All right, 2 minutes. 2-minute warning, 68.08. Russell ticked through lows. Didn't really follow through. NASDAQ holding up pretty well compared to the others. One minute to go, still at about 68.09.
What a beautiful Mahomes. Yep, don't bounce.
Don't say anything too soon. A minute's a long time for Mahomes.
I'm out of half, so I got 3 left. Just need to stay around 10. We're below 10 is max on those last 3.
Ten seconds. Uh-oh. Bouncing to 12.
Back down below 11. Oh, wow.
Order cancelled.
Ding, ding, ding. Little mark up, then mark down. Looks like 68.12.72.
I'm still a winner because I scalped, thank goodness.
Yeah.
Nice little
All right,
mark
all. That is a wrap for the first day of DECE. Hope everyone survived. Look forward to the second day of DECE. Tomorrow, Chad will be streaming live in the morning for day trading. We'll be back for Power Hour. Have a good night. Talk to you soon.